Robust Vehicles is an electric vehicle startup created by a group of young and creative mechanical engineers Ajay, Panwar, Sanjay, Soni, Gulam, Mohiyuddin, along with their team. Founded and established in 2016, Robust Vehicles is an extraordinary tech-focused startup of design and manufacturing of premium range performance electric vehicles located in Bhilwara, Rajasthan. With a passion, their team dedicated to make an electric motorcycle in their college final year project in the year 2015 and succeeded. After 2 years of research and development, Robust Electric Vehicles made Mark III electric motorcycle prototype. The top speed of the vehicle is estimated up to 200 km per hour for the lower model and up to 300 km per hour for the limited edition model. Range will be above 300 km on a single charge. 80% of the charge in 30 minutes on DC fast charging, and the full charge will take up to 3 hours at normal AC charging. More than 3 different riding modes in this electric bike: Eco mode, Sport mode, Highway mode, Off-road mode, Track mode and Rain mode. Some unique features are going to see in this super bike that never ever seen in India apart from GPS, maps, navigation, which are only basic features. The unique features are rider statistics, heated grips, auto mapping, track focused navigation, dynamic traction control, collision alert, cruise control, assisted wheelie control, and much more. Coming to the build quality, naked racing design and street racing theme motorcycle made with different composites like carbon fiber, Kevlar, titanium alloys, carbon alloys, etc. All kinds of exotic automotive materials having extraordinary strength and premium feel. They are using 3D manufacturing for parts and metallic structures for chassis and other mechanical parts. Every part of the product will be designed personally by Robust in-house by its own team for the quality and image of product. Robust Motors planning to launch their products in the market by 2020 at own private launch event Robust Expo, and after that at Auto Expo 2020 for overall exposure. They also planning to launch at Geneva and EICMA Vehicle Expo for the global launch next year. Currently, Robust is planning to build a brand image first, so that first product will be a super bike. Only limited edition units will be produced. After that, they will move on to lower budget and other segment of automobiles. Finally, the main motto is to introduce the world with robust sustainable electric vehicles technology, which will revolutionize the EV industry. So we can see an electric super bike in India by 2020. What a great innovation from Indian engineers. So go green, go electric. Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.